Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are good at home and studying properly for your exam. Today we will solve revision worksheet of Science and Technology Part 1. Before writing answer in the worksheet, don't forget to write your name, standard, division and roll number. This worksheet is based on the chapter 4, 5, 6 and 7. Question 1. Select the correct option and write only the alphabet corresponding to the correct option. Students, in this question you have to write the alphabet of correct answer or alphabet and the correct answer. If you write only answer, you will not get marks. So, while writing answer of this question, be careful. 1. The vapor content in the air is measured using physical quantity called dash. And the options are A. Absolute humidity, B. Relative humidity, C. Dew point and D. Humidity. And the correct answer is option A. Absolute humidity. 2. Dash is used to study the anomalous behavior of water and the options are A. Calorimeter, B. Joule's apparatus, C. Hope's apparatus and D. Thermos flask. And the correct answer is option C. Hope's apparatus. 3. The ray of light makes an angle of 50 degree with the surface S1 of the glass slab. Its angle of incident will be dash. Options are A. 50 degree, B. 40 degree, C. 140 degree and D. 0 degree. Correct answer is option B. 40 degree. 4. Water expands on reducing its temperature below dash degree. The options are A. 4, B. 0, C. 8 and D. 12. Correct answer is option A. 4. 5. The change in the direction of propagation of light when it passes obliquely from one transparent medium to another is called dash. And the options are A. Dispersion, B. Scattering, C. Refraction and D. Reflection. And the correct answer for this question is option C. Refraction. 6. The image formed by a concave lens is always dash. Options are A. Virtual and erect, B. Real and erect, C. Virtual and inverted and D. Real and inverted. Answer is option A. Virtual and erect. Question 2. Observe the given graph and answer the following questions. Graph is shown like this. A. Name the process represented in the figure. Answer is anomalous behavior of water. B. At what temperature does this process takes place? Answer for this question is at 4 degree Celsius temperature. Question number 3. Read the given paragraph and answer the following questions. Dear students, read the given paragraph in your worksheet carefully and write the answers. A. Name the two wires having potential difference of 220 volts. The answer is the live wire and the neutral wire. B. What is short circuit? The answer is when a live wire and neutral wire come in contact to each other, the resistance of circuit becomes very small and hence large current flows through it. This condition is called short circuit. C. Write the function of fuse. Answer is a fuse protects electrical circuits and appliances by stopping the flow of electric current when it exceeds a specific value. Dear children, now we will solve the worksheet of Science and Technology Part 2. In this worksheet, questions from chapter 4, 5, 6 and 7 are added. Question 1. Select the correct option and write only the alphabet corresponding to the correct option. 1. Basic functional unit to study the ecology is termed as dash. Options are A. Environment, B. Niche, C. Ecosystem and D. Food chain. Correct answer is option C. Ecosystem. 2. Burning of coal may cause serious health problem related to dash system. Options are A. Digestive, B. Respiratory, C. Nervous and D. Excretory. And the correct answer is option B. Respiratory. 3. In dash, the exoskeleton is absent. The options are A. Amphibian, B. Aves, C. Reptilia and D. Mammalia. Answer is option A. Amphibian. 4. Dash is cold-blooded animal. Options are A. Bat, B. Snake, C. Rabbit, D. Elephant. And answer is option B. Snake. 5. Dash gas is considered to be the fuel of future and the options are A. Hydrogen, B. Nitrogen, C. Methane, D. Butane. Answer is option A. Hydrogen. Question number 2. Say true or false. Don't write reason if it is not asked in the question. 1. In thermal power plant, the turbines work on solar energy. Students, this is a false statement. 2. Bacteria are generally good decomposers. This is true statement. 3. Mozzarella cheese is very hard cheese. Students, this is a false statement. 4. Planet Earth has the highest number of animals from phylum Arthropoda. Dear students, this is a true statement. Question number 3. Observe the following diagram and answer the following questions. Diagram is A. To which phylum does the animal given in the diagram belongs to? Answer is phylum Arthropoda. B. What is the exoskeleton made of? Exoskeleton is made up of chitin. What is symmetry? The symmetry shown in this diagram is bilateral symmetry. Question 4. Identify the following symbols. This symbol indicates that keep our waste carefully. This symbol indicates save electricity. This symbol indicates use green energy. This symbol indicates save water. Thank you, students. Study this worksheet properly for your exam and keep on studying for your board exam. Bye.